How to install ChatGPT on Android. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily install ChatGPT on your Android device. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI, and it's based on advanced language models like GPT-4. You can even understand human language and generate human-like text, helping its users with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions and writing essays to coding, summarizing content, and many more. The first thing you do is go to Google Play Store on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the search bar and then simply search for ChatGPT. Now here you'll be able to find the ChatGPT by OpenAI. All you have to do is press on the install button. As you can see, there are many reviews about this app. It has over 18 million reviews and over 500 million plus downloads. Now if you want to know more about the app, just tap on about the app, and here you'll see that this official app is free, syncs your history across devices, and brings you the latest from OpenAI, including the new image generator. And you can know more features about the app right here. So once you've installed the application, all you have to do is just open it up. And then here you could just get started right away without even having to log in. Let's just type in hi here and it's going to respond immediately. So let me just ask the AI time right now. So what's the time right now? And it will immediately answer. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.